Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great Class A motorhome value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to review a nice 2010 Forest River Georgetown. And guys, this is a floor plan that's very hard to find used, and that is a Bunkhouse Class A. This is a 320 DS, 33 feet long total bumper to bumper length. It has two slide outs, 62,000 miles, built on a Ford chassis with a 6.8 Triton V10. And yes, guys, again, it is a bunkhouse. Let's look around this motorhome, guys, and see what you think about it. Now, I know this isn't a Monaco or a Holiday Rambler or something like that, but it's not priced for one either. I mean, this is a 2010 for $39,900. If it was one of those higher end brands, this thing would be an extra $10,000 to $20,000. So it may not be the fanciest thing in the world, but it'll get the job done and save you some money too over those other more expensive brands. And what I do like about it, guys, it does have a one-piece fiberglass roof. Got the one-piece windshield. Looking around it, tires look great. Again, Ford chassis, 6.8 V10, 305 horsepower, which is plenty for this size motorhome. Got the power steps. Got an awning. Got the hydraulic leveling jacks. Got a 5,000 pound tow capacity hitch on the back, so ideal for a small to mid-sized tow vehicle. Somebody's added a bike rack or something up there. Looking over here, guys, it's got a 5500 Onan gasoline generator, and it does have two airs. It is a 50 amp unit. 6-gallon DSI water heater. Not bad. Alrighty, let's look around. This is a short video too, by the way, so you know, no drone shots, no test drives, and I'm sorry about that, guys. I'll get back to doing those, I promise. But it's just right now, guys, we are just so slammed that and short-handed that I just don't have time to do those, and I barely have time to do these, just to be honest with you. But at least I'm putting something out there for my YouTube audience to see. Looking inside, guys, I mean, it's a clean motorhome. Everything looks original. The furniture, the carpet, everything looks good. 62,000 miles. Front seats look good. I don't see any flaking, any problems there. You've got a sleeper sofa that makes a bed. A table booth that's going to make a bed. Two bunks and a bed in the back. Wow. This thing basically got the sleeping capacity of a Class C. Double ducted roof airs. 3-burner range top oven. It's got solid surface countertops. That's unusual for an entry level model, which is what the Georgetown is. Microwave. That's just a microwave, not a convection oven, but you still have your regular propane oven as well. Double basin sink. Countertop extender, 8 cubic foot RV refrigerator freezer. We go through here. We've got 2 bunks, each with privacy curtains. Looks like somebody's added some foam rubber, make it a little more comfortable to sleep on. Got a side bathroom, RV toilet. Got a shower. You can see around the skylight, no signs of leak damage. Just one good thing about this, guys. Not many entry-level models have a fiberglass roof, but this one does. Back here, we got a queen-size bed. You've got a solid sliding door for privacy. Got a small TV up here in the corner, closet, drawer space. This would be an ideal family motorhome, guys. It really is. Got your second AC in here. Of course, it's ducted to the entire RV. Not bad, guys. You know, I know you're looking, for those of you looking for a bunkhouse Class A, I know you're frustrated because every single one of them are either 60, 70 grand or they're already sold. Well, here's your chance. 2010 Georgetown by Forest River, a 320 DS, 62,900 some odd miles on it, with a full inspection by my certified RV techs. That's done after purchase. We have a massive 4-page inspection process, and for those of you who are not familiar with it, look on the video link in the link in the video description below. Hit that link, it'll take you to our 4-page inspection process, or you can see it on my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. There'll be links to that as well, and there will be a copy of that inspection report on every eligible RV. Now that is done after purchase, so everything's fresh, everything's ready to go. Doesn't matter what we spend on it, making it past that inspection, the price to you is $39,900, haggle-free, firm. You get the inspection. After you pick this unit up, your warranty goes into effect. We actually go out and buy you a 90-day Easy Care nationwide limited warranty, and you can extend that very, very affordably. So if you're interested in an extended warranty for this coach, ask your salesperson or finance manager for a quote on that, but you get the 90-day regardless. This is nice, guys. It really is. For what it is, I mean, for an 11-year-old motorhome, I've certainly seen a lot worse. And I don't think this one's going to last very long because of the Bunkhouse floor plan and the price for 2010, which is pretty affordable right now, considering the current market and how scarce Class A motorhomes are getting. And I actually got a good selection of Class A's. I think the lowest priced one I have right now is about $16,900, and they go up from there. And I've got everything from $16,900 to $120,000 plus, and everything in between. So if you're in the market for a used Class A, I've got a lot of them. Probably more than any dealer within a several 100-mile radius of us in one location. Gas and diesel. So come out, check them out, guys. Parkway RV Center, parkwayrvcenter.com. Our address is 5568 Battlefield Parkway. This unit, again, $39,900, haggle-free, firm price. Includes the 4-page inspection process. Includes a 90-day warranty. Includes a full orientation that is done after this unit has been put through service and cleanup. And if you want to know a current lead time for this RV to get ready, if you bought it today, ask your salesperson for an estimated lead time. And guys, and I'll give you a secret, most of the time we try to pad that lead time a little bit so that way, because most of the time it gets done a little quicker than that, but we'd rather tell you a little bit longer. That way, if we have to order a part that's not readily available, which is pretty common right now, we can still try to get it done in the estimated time frame. And if you got a question about that, or a question about this motorhome or buying process or anything like that, best thing to do, guys, is pick up your phone and call 706-965-7929 and just give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out any way we can, guys. We've got 100+ used RVs, a lot of Class A's, C's. Can't be able to find a B. I did a B or B plus Saturday, and that thing sold in 2 hours. But guys, these things go quick. If it's something you think you're interested in, we do have financing available with approved credit and down payment. If you're interested in that, give us a call. We can try to get the financing part worked out over the phone and the internet before you step and foot on the lot. That way we can at least get the preliminary stuff done. And guys, we've been doing this 52 years. I mean, this is, we've been in business for 3 generations, family owned and operated. Anyway, guys, this is just a quick video. I promise you I'll go back to doing the full video once I get caught up and get some help in here. But in the meantime, if you want to come and visit, we're the only dealership around that has this much used inventory in one location, and the only dealership around that lets you simply come out and look unescorted without going through a sales office. You can park where you want, look at what you want, prices are on them, and you can look to your heart's content. You can come and look as many times as you want. If you don't want to talk to anybody, you don't have to. That's what I love about this place, guys. So many other people agree with me too. We just leave you alone. We want you to come to us when you want to buy something. If we have to force you or talk you into buying something, you're not ready to buy to begin with. That's the way I look at it. That's the way my salespeople look at it. We have way more buyers than we've got inventory right now. We sold 50 plus used RVs in January. Guys, that is unheard of numbers in January. I mean, we did more than Ripoff World up the street did, and they've got twice the inventory we do, and they're all new with better financing. And we did more than they did last month. So guys, you know, we've got plenty of inventory, but it's going quick, and we're trying to buy as much as we can while we can, because inventory is definitely still very, very hard to get right now. That's why I haven't been doing as many Class A motorhome videos, because they just haven't been that many out there to buy. But guys, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Feel free to leave comments, share this video on social media. And if you got any questions, call us, email us, and don't let this one get away. Call before coming to look, and you probably want to consider leaving a deposit too, just to make sure it's here when you get here. Thank you again for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.